7, 8. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. So, gut. Erste Sache, wir drehen die Frau again um. 1, 2, Welle, Stopp. Hier machen wir leichte Spannung. Wieso? Weil wir machen jetzt gleich auf die Hacke stark. So we go strong on the heel. We turn her a little bit forward, like this with the hand, body forward, and make connection here. And up. 5. And then I drop on the hip, but soft with the hand. And then the leg goes, and this one turns inside soft. 6. And then we go in syncopation. 7 and 8. Good. Now we turn the girl to us and we close. 1, 2. I prepare the hand from here while closing. While closing, I will bring my hand here so I can push her. So again. 7, 8. 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. Look. I decide when the girl stops. Why? Because I can make 1 and 2 and no. Okay, so girls, don't stop on your own. 1 and 2, girls make waves. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we go down and up. Down and up. From the side, is in hier, wir sind da, zack. Und wir gehen erstmal Körper, so first the body, pre-leading. Then I go down, up and down. Close, here I change the body weight shortly there, and with the left, right thigh, and with the hand I go up into the side, break. And then again, tap, tap, boom. Then we close, 5, 6, and I send her to the side between, I have the girl between both hands here, like locked. So like this I can make break, close. I go with the right, she goes with the right, break, close. And then we can start again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hand 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, connection, down, down, up, down, down, up, close, and break. Boom,